Hi there! In our past video, we devoted to the invasion of spiders. In this video, I want to tell you about the invasion of birds. Remember how the Alfred Hitchcock film Birds Attack People, terrifying them and forcing them to hide in their homes? The birds in this video, of course not as scary, but still very interesting. 2017. Houston. Look at this footage. Thousands of birds fly in the air and create a loud noise. If you happen to be there and watch this scene live, you would probably begin to think about the impending apocalypse. Maybe this is a spectacle and it looks scary, but for locals, this picture is quite familiar because every year the birds arrive in this area for the winter. True, in 2017, there were much more than usual. And these frames are from Norfolk, England. An incredibly large flock of birds covered the sky and flew very low to the ground. Again, we are transported to the US. In parking lots of these shopping centers, we see hundreds of birds that not only fly by, but also sit down on anything they like, including cars. Just look at these shots from different US cities. All are the results of such invasions. In addition, these birds carry many diseases, so such invasions of these birds obviously do not please the locals. Migration of birds can be of such enormous proportions, and the number of birds can be so large that they move like a black wall through which nothing can be seen. Sometimes huge flocks of birds seem to dance in the air and vary synchronously. But the most amazing video was taken by the residents of New York. For a moment, the birds created a human face. Have you ever seen anything like that? Write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.